Morning. Pretty.
It's just chocolate with shea butter.
Usually after you look at the Falcons, you throw it straight into the grinder. And as you guys can probably tell, the grinder is a three-step grinder with the first step being the one with the large swords on it. And then the last step being the one with the very small sword, so it grinds down to a fine powder. After that, the last step is for the chocolate to be thrown into it so it's a stone no longer. And what this machine basically does is make sure whatever's inside is in liquid form. It gives it that nice shiny no chocolate too well. And this is also where we add the cane sugar with them as well. Okay, so if you guys were to take a good look inside of this room around you, the understand that this is the room where all of the margins usually are, this is where all of the chocolate will usually be decorated in the sun. By our chocolate there, you can see that preparing some molds now for some of our bonbons. If you guys want to come closer and look either on this window right here and or on the right side of that wall, you should be looking at is a photo of the 23 bonbons that we do offer that I was telling you guys about before. Now it is 23 degree chocolate quarantine. They basically can hold chocolate for up to 6 months, but this is a factory, so it doesn't really about. This right here is the white chocolate. The white chocolate that we do make is made from cacao butter, powdered milk, and powdered sugar. And the center is our milk chocolate.
Thank you. That was delicious.
Are you a dark chocolate person?
White.
Are you a dark chocolate person?
White.
One with tortilla here. One's grape.
Thank you.
Make grapes or making chocolate here. I would love to make grapes.
Definitely the white chocolate is better. Loved it. They're gonna be so jealous. And this is the dark chocolate?
That's more.
Oh, sorry.
Chocolate, please. Covered in chocolate covered covered in like hand.
Yeah.
Like go outside chocolate, chocolate. So this is the front.
Yeah.
Number what? Pardon? What did you say? That's going to be the whole is front of the chocolate. So everything.
So if I want it in the middle, I do a light.
So that would be pieces of marshmallow inside there and you can put chocolate. Or you can do dip the marshmallow in and you can eat it.
I like to take it down so it's stuck and then part off the other.
If you don't do that, you take it out from the chocolate. Beautiful. Put down a bit.
These are adorable. I can imagine when the kids come.
For the team.
Hot chocolate.
Need the whole thing too.
Take
He's crying. See, it's
Eating the pepper chocolate.
Nothing yet.
Nothing yet?
no. A little bit.
Wait, that's good.
Look at that.
One more.
This is like the hot wing challenge for chocolate, right?
Everyone get a rubber?
some of them might be 36 thirds, but some of them are tailored. So
This is video.
Beautiful.
Wow.